the students of Western Mindanao State University, line up lang po tayo. Mamaya magkakaroon po kayo ng oras para makapag-picture on your own. Few steps forward. Yung next lines po natin, nandito na po ba? Nandito na po ba ang last line? Again, later you'll have your time to take photos with the artwork. So sa ngayon po, sana makinig po muna tayo.